Hello everybody. Now we are in Ciomas district, Ciomas village in Panjalo district. This is cultural Sundanese cultural community here. Now you are watching Sundanese cultural community here, and then I want to introduce. This is our culture. This is culture. We love nature. Yeah, that's why we are here. But before we playing, I want to say you, everybody, to all of you, all around the world. Yeah, the first and the first day, you can see the camera. The name is Karindi. Okay, play. Yeah, that's made. This is made from bamboo. Yeah, it's enough. And then this is the second one is mini celampung. Celampung mini. Yeah, the sound is like that. It's very unique. And then the third one is saron. We call it saron, like a melody and guitar. Yeah, just like that. And then the fourth one, say, next is gong tiup. Yeah, it's enough. And then this is very unique. Yeah, the name is Toleon. Yeah, you can hear that song. Very beautiful song. Yeah, man. And then you can the last one here. Yeah, this is, we call it Celampung Renteng. You can see how to play it. Maybe you can hear the voice. Oh.